Hello merchants! This is Pabili Orientation. Here, we will discuss the advantages of being part of Pabili. Ready ka na bang lumago ang negosyo mo? Our goal is to provide a platform to make foods accessible online and satisfy customers' hunger and cravings. Well, paano ba ito gumagana? Once we receive an order from the customer, both our admin and you, as the store owner, will be notified through SMS or call. After that, we will confirm the customer's order kung available ba and verify the customer as well. Then, all you have to do is to prepare the order para pick upin na lang po ng rider. Upon pick up po, babayaran na po ng rider yung order. Additionally, there are other ordering options. Pwedeng pick upin ni customer yung order. Pwede rin pong i-deliver ng staff niyo yung order. Or pwede niyo pong ipa-deliver through Pabili Riders. What's more is that Pabili enables customers to choose their preferred mode of payments. We offer cash on delivery, GCash, and bank transfers.
Next, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Hanggang saan na po ba ang naaabot ng produkto nyo? Kung ang sagot nyo po ay hanggang kabilang kanto lang o hanggang dine-in lang po, well, ito na ang chance mo para umabot ang produkto mo up to 7 municipalities. Ang galing nun, di ba? Paano? Sumali ka sa Pabili. Ito po ang tier plans that you can choose from para makasali. First is tier 5, which is commission-based. Meaning, may 5% commission po kaming makukuha for every Pabili sales na maibibigay namin sa inyo. But, if you're not comfortable with the commission-based po, we recommend tier 4. Dito, wala na po kayong babayarang commission. Fixed 500 peso monthly fee na lang po. Another one is tier 3 na meron lang pong 20 peso daily fee, pero unlike tier 5, 2.5% na lang po ang kukunin namin commission sa inyo. And still, if you're not convinced sa 2.5% commission, we offer you tier 2, which will only cost you 50 pesos daily. But no more commission from you and delivery fee na lang po ang i-shoulder ni customer. In this case, more customers will be attracted to try your products online since delivery fee na lang po ang babayaran nila. And please take note po na we offer the cheapest delivery fee. Okay, finally, we offer you tier 1, which offers free delivery to all of your customers within 3km radius from your store. Kami na po ang bahalang mag-deliver ng order sa inyo. Please take note lang po na yung order must be at least 300 pesos and it will cost you only 15% to 20% of the total bill na consider nyo na po na pinaka-payment na. Okay, there you have it. So, please let us know what tier do you think suits your business best. Please take note rin po na you can change tiers anytime you want. For example, hindi po naging effective yung una nyong napiling tier, you can change it anytime.
Tingin mo ba'y kulang sa promotions ang produkto mo? At wala kang time gumawa nito? Pabili Creatives! Promote business in a creative way. Here are the list of creative packages that can help boost your business engagements. You can avail the startup package for only $2.99 where you can get 5 creative stars. Or the business package and get 10 creative stars for only $4.99. Or the scaling up package for only $8.99 and comes up with 15 creative stars. Ang mga creative stars po ay consumable. Ang isang creative star
ay equivalent sa any of the following: product templates, logo, cover photo, brochure design, business card design, thank you card design, and others. And ang startup plan worth $299 po ay may kasamang 1 free slideshow. And ang business package naman po ay may kasamang 2 slideshow. And finally, ang scaling up package po ay merong kasamang 3 slideshows. So if you're interested, you can view our portfolio online via pabili.store/creatives. From there, you can fill up the form to apply. Avail Pabili Creatives now!
This offer is only optional. And for you to manage your store online, you can access your store through this link. Full tutorial and instructions are available through this URL. Okay, dare to compare. Here in Pabili Express Delivery, you have many benefits as our partner. Okay, to proceed with the partnership, here are the requirements. Upon sending the requirements, please include the tier you choose and whether you will subscribe to our creative plans. If you have any questions or concerns, it is our pleasure to answer it. I hope to see your store in Pabili app. Hello merchants! This is Pabili Orientation. Here, we will discuss the advantages